Alright, another flight on the Rafale 80mm with a 5000. I tried to push it back a little farther so we could get off the turf. So we got a crosswind. I ain't gonna stop, I'm just gonna keep rolling. It's wide open, see if we can really get her to lift. I need a little bump. Come on, there we go. Trying to put some bumps out there. Alright, off and away. Flying good, trim pretty good. They're a low speed pass or high speed pass. Coming around flat level.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, a little hard, but I'll take it. 3-point landing. These gear have been weak on this plane. I'm surprised that didn't get them, but good enough. I'll take it. All right. I like that plane.